So here we have a Dell motherboard for repair. It's a water damage board. Model number is Tourist AMD 16808-1. It is not turning on. So let's find out what is the problem. Stay tuned. Watch till end. So guys, here we'll have a quick look at the board. As we know that board is short, the water damage. So let's have a physical inspection here. So this is the top corner of the board. Nothing here. At the DC jack side, everything looks okay. Meanwhile, we can measure impedance as well on the buzzer mode. Okay. So this is the first MOSFET. This cap looks okay. MOSFET okay. Value is coming. So this side everything is fine. Now if we come down a little bit, we can see here this side of the board, here is the water damage, but luckily there is no components here. Here some resistor, it's a resistor pack. Here some moisture is there, you can see. So we need to check it out here as well. And here if you see this switch, it has a water damage as well. Now this side, here you can see. Let me zoom in. So here is the main damage. It's completely damaged. Let's check the impedance on this coil. Okay, I think it's a processor related coil, because nearby there is a processor. So this is the one which I am concerned, because if this coil is short, it shows 001, or maybe this cap could be the problem. No, the cap is okay, but the coil is short. So PL5201, let me check on the schematic, we'll get back. And here is the 5.53 volt coil. Here if you check it out, this coil looks fine. So 3.3 and 5 volts coil is okay, but processor coil is not okay. So let me switch to the mobile screen. So guys, here is the schematic. You can see it is PL5201 here, this one, okay, and this is the IC which is here. So I'm not sure, this is I think this is the PCH coil, but let's see, maybe PCH has gone or something else is short. We will find out by removing this coil. We will inject some voltage. Let's see whether we are getting impedance or it is gone. Processor is gone, because it's an AMD processor. Let's see. So guys, here is the coil I was talking about. This coil is beeping and you can see there is no impedance, whereas here we can see 22 and 10. The rest is okay. Even 3.35 volts coil is okay. We are getting impedance. Here also we are getting. In the RAM coil also we are getting. Here you can see, but here we are getting the beep. So first we will remove the IC, because we see a lot of corrosion on the IC itself. Maybe after removing the IC, things will change. So let's first remove this IC itself. So IC has been removed. Let's clean it up a little bit and then we will check again. So after removing the IC, it is the same. That means PCH is, or the processor itself has gone. We will remove the heatsink and we will inject up to 1 volt. Let's see, up to 0.5 volts we will inject and see if things are changing. So here you can see there is no PCH, everything is the processor, AMD processor itself. Okay. Now we will remove the coil also and check it out. I think it is gone. I'm not sure, let's see. So the upper side is showing short. Now let's inject the voltage. So here we are putting the main and we'll keep the voltage 0.5. So let me set the DC. Now we'll turn the DC on. Okay, it is taking. Yes, as I had doubt, the processor has gone. So guys, this is how we have to find out major components. Before probing so much, directly first check coils and then proceed ahead. So this processor has gone. So we need to wind up this repair here itself. Let's meet up in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.